Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Chainlink tokens from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com, all updated for 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets securely, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and make this process simple and stress-free. First off, before we start, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and that you own some Chainlink tokens. You'll also need your Crypto.com wallet address handy. Double-check it to avoid any slip-ups. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Open the Trust Wallet app on your phone and unlock it using your passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your wallet dashboard and locate the Chainlink token. It should be under your assets list, just tap on it to proceed. Step 3. On the Chainlink page, look for the Send or Withdraw button. This might be labeled slightly differently based on the 2025 app updates, but it's usually prominent. Step 4. Enter the recipient address by pasting your Crypto.com wallet address. Make sure it's correct. Crypto addresses are case sensitive. Step 5. Specify the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. Leave a little extra if needed for smooth processing. Step 6. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the amount, fees, and destination. If everything looks good, hit confirm to initiate the transaction. After that, you'll get a transaction ID. Sit tight while it processes on the blockchain. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's complete, open your Crypto.com app or website and check your wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for both platforms. That's it. Withdrawing Chainlink is easier than you think when you follow these steps. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.